Good morning. Yesterday we have discussed the splitting of d orbitals in octahedral complexes. So today we summarize this one. The octahedral complex contains the 6 ligand molecules around the metal ion and has the octahedral geometry. The 6 ligand molecules are present at each corners of the octahedron, and when we place the x, y and z axes into this octahedral shape, the orbitals which are in between the axes, that is dxy, dyz, dxz, which are called as T2z set of orbitals which are lie in between the axes, will possesses the minimum repulsion between the electrons present in the ligand orbital and the electrons present in the metal ion orbitals, and have the lower energy level than the splitting energy. Therefore, in the figure, these are shown at the lower energy, that is minus 4 dq, and the orbitals which are present on the axis, that is dx2y2 and dz2, these orbitals which have maximum repulsion between the electrons present in these ligand orbitals and the metal ion orbitals will have maximum repulsion, and they will repel maximum and have the higher energy than the CFAC, that is the hypo minus plus 6 dq. What is the meaning of this one? Means suppose there is one electron in the metal ion that will enters into lower energy state, that is T2z set, and after completion of the T2z set, then the electron will goes into the higher energy state, that is it is destabilized by plus 6 dq. Means in short, electron which will enters into T2z set orbital, electron entering into the T2z set orbital is stabilized by minus 4 dq. I will repeat this one. Electron entering into the T2z set orbitals is stabilized by minus 4 dq. Electron entering into easy set of orbitals is destabilized by plus 6 dq. Means the value of CFSE of electron present in T2z set orbital is minus 4 dq. Electron present in easy set of orbital, the CFSE is plus 6 dq. Now this filling of electrons into the T2z set and EZ set will depends upon the ligand field, where it is strong or weak. That will be see in the next week. Before that one, how the octahedral complexes will be formed according to the crystal field theory. So in the figure I have given the 3 states: state first, state 2 and state 3. Observe carefully. The state first is for free metal ion, means all the d orbitals are degenerate, they have equal energy. State 2 is, as there is approach of the ligand molecules, it is to be supposed that all the d orbitals have equal energy. That is, state 2 is hypothetical situation or hypothetical state or ideal state. It is imaginary. But as state 3, as the approach of ligand will continues towards the metal ion, what will happen? The splitting of d orbital will take place. That is state 3. In octahedral, T2's set will goes to the lower energy state and easy set of the orbital goes to the higher energy state. The total CFSE delta O for octahedral is equal to 10 dq, means 6 minus 4 means 6 plus 4, it is 10 dq. Okay, so tomorrow we'll have how the strength of the ligand field will affects the distribution of the electrons in T to Z set and EZ set. Thank you.